With glow tips, glow chat, glow fun.
Knowing to whom we belong, we
Grow in beauty, wiser and strong.
glow up and see who you can be.
Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters, in today's episode of Glow Tips, I will be cutting my natural hair. Let's go. Alright, so this is what we are looking like. This is my hair journey story. I was blessed to be born with a full head of hair. Growing up with thick natural hair was a challenge. My mom used the Just For Me texturizer to make my hair more manageable until we found a hairdresser. I was natural for the rest of prep school and the first 3 years of high school. I got my first relaxer in 4th form, but always wore my hair in 1. The constant tension caused breakage, so I decided to cut my hair in a bob. I rocked my bob for the remainder of 6th form and the beginning of university. Right after I turned 20, I started my relaxed hair care journey. I decided to transition to natural hair because I felt it was a better fit for my lifestyle. I transitioned for a year and a half before I did the big jump. It was exciting to learn my natural hair, seeing what products worked and what didn't, seeing what styles looked good and what styles didn't. I graduated university and rocked my natural hair for my grad pic. My natural hair continued to grow. It continued to thrive until November 2018 when I was diagnosed with severe anemia. Based on my health, my natural hair started to thin out. I grew out my natural hair until I was ready to cut off all the damage. 2020 quarantine gave me the perfect opportunity to take care of my natural hair with low maintenance. 5 years after being natural, on December 31st, 2020, I decided to start over again. Starting over is not failure. It's just starting with more experience. I'm now able to do things differently with my natural hair, and I'm excited for what's ahead. I'm going to appreciate my hair at each stage. I am excited to try new styles. Let us know in the comments below what natural hair videos and styles you want to see here on the Glow Up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when we drop new videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Glow Getters, glow up and see who you can be. Bye!